morning, students. In this session, we are discussing about inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. Do you hear the term inverse trigonometry? Anyone? No. Okay. Do you hear the term trigonometry? Okay. What is trigonometry? Measuring the sides of a triangle. Okay, good. What do you mean by inverse? Inverse. In our previous chapter, we discussed about relations and functions. Now, let me revise the same concept over here. Let us consider a Venn diagram. And this set as A and this set as B. And let us consider a function f of x equal to x square. And assuming A equal to set 1, 2, 3. And we substitute this value of set A in the function. These values of A is called the domain. As we are going to substitute these values in the function and find the range. So, if we substitute the value of 1 in the function, f of 1 equal to 1 square, f of x equal to x square, therefore f of 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1. Then f of 2 equal to 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. Then f of 3 equal to 3 square. What is 3 square? 9. Okay. Here A is set 1, 2, 3. Then here f of 1 is 1. Then 1 to 1. F of 2 is 4. Then 2 to 4. F of 3 is 9. Then 3 to 9. Here B equal to set 1, 4, 9 is called the range. A function f from A to B is 1, 1. This function is 1, 1. What is the reason? Good. All the elements in A have a single image in B. Okay. And this function is also called an onto function. Okay. What is the reason? Good. All the values of B have function in A and there are no left element in B. Here f of x is 1, 1 and onto. Here f of x is 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, f of x is a bijection. Therefore, f of x is a bijection. F of x is bijective. Therefore, f inverse exists. Therefore, f inverse exists. Now, let us write this as ordered pairs. F of x equal to set of all ordered pair 1, 2, 1. 1, 1. First ordered pair 1, 1. Second 2, 4. Then third one 3, 9. 3, 9. Inverse of this function is nothing but interchange the domain and range. Therefore, this function f inverse x is 1, 1. Then 4, 2. Then 9, 3. Okay. Any doubt? This for the function f of y equal to x that is for the function f of y equal to x, then its inverse becomes f inverse x equal to y. F inverse x equal to y. Its inverse becomes f inverse x equal to y. Now let's come to the actual topic of inverse trigonometric function. Let us assume sin theta equal to x. Then what is theta? Sin is changes to sin inverse. Theta equal to sin inverse x. Then cos theta equal to x. Then theta equal to what? Cos inverse x. Okay. Tan theta equal to x. Then theta equal to tan inverse x. These sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. are called inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse x also called arc sin x. Arc sin x. Cos inverse x also known as arc cos x, etc. In our next session, we are going to discuss about principal values of inverse trigonometric function.